first day of Vlogmas. So Vlogmas is gonna be pretty boring this year, you know, with everything that's going on with COVID. Vlogmas can't really do a whole lot, so sorry, but I'm gonna try to give y'all as much content as I can. I'm about to turn on my Christmas tree. I have one Christmas tree up already. No, those lights are so ghetto. Got one Christmas tree up already, and I'm actually about to, that's my bow, I have to put it on top, but I'm actually about to put up my Christmas tree in my office now. So I thought, you know, the first couple minutes of the video can be me putting up my Christmas tree. I'm trying to clean up my house. It's like junky. All this Chick-fil-A that I had for lunch. I got a new tripod, so I don't know how to sit it down right. Oh, okay. Hold it down. There we go. So we're about to put up the tree in the office slash beauty room. So I thought I'd show you guys that. But you already know I'm gonna pour some wine first, okay? So at first I was contemplating doing Vlogmas because of everything that's going on with COVID, and I know again it's not gonna be that much to, gosh, this is the only thing I don't like about this tripod is gotta do too much. Yeah, so it's gonna be like, am I gonna have content for Vlogmas? So I'm gonna try to give you guys as much as I can. I still am going home to my parents' house for Thanksgiving. It will only be us and my little cousin. So not a house full of people. I will be masked up. I've been in the house. I work from home, so I really ever go anywhere. So I guess you can say I've quarantined already, but yeah, still gonna have my mask on while I'm over there just to protect others, and then they will have their mask on to protect me. So yeah, my dad should be calling me in a little bit. He wants me to order something for him, who knows. And it's so dark in here. Probably gonna turn on my lights. So let me sit you guys down. It's so junky in this office. Maybe I'll get it together too. I was thinking, do I want to listen to music or watch some? Look at this, y'all. It doesn't look this bad in person as it do on camera. But yeah, or do I want to watch YouTube? I haven't decided though what exactly I want to do. I kind of want to do both. I'm going to record putting up the Christmas tree on my camera and then just insert it. That way I don't have my camera running, my phone running the whole time, because I vlog on my phone. So I got the tree up. Don't really care for that star. I know it's real flimsy. And it definitely needs a few fillers. Maybe not balls, but just like little cute ornament fillers. But it's so cute. And I'm gonna set my camera up to see exactly what it looks like. Sorry, y'all, stuff all on the floor. And look, the damn star is lopsided. That's why I don't like that star, because it's always lopsided. But looks really nice in here. Hopefully I can see it in my camera. Again, I'm about to set my camera up right now. So now that I'm finished with that, I'm about to get this stuff out the floor, but I'm about to come in here and wrap up Christmas gifts and just go ahead and start putting them under the tree to go ahead and get that stuff out of the way. Of course, I am not done Christmas shopping, nowhere near done Christmas shopping. Well, I'm not gonna say nowhere near. I've gotten pretty close. Just a few more people I have to get gifts for, and I'm gonna get that next week on some, I can't even talk. Oh my gosh, Cyber Monday. But my auntie made me this bow, and I will put her Facebook tag information on down. Anyways, cause my phone cut off on me, but I'll put her Facebook handle down below. But y'all, it's gonna be so freaking cute. It's gonna be so cute. I think I'm gonna put it up there tonight. She told me to go get some spigs, I don't know, to put in the tree to make it stand out. So I'll probably go get that tomorrow or sometime. I gotta work with what we got now. But I'll probably just go ahead and end this Vlogmas section right here, and I'll check you guys probably. I work for the rest of the week, so probably won't see me until Thanksgiving, more than likely. Just because, like I said, I work for the rest of the week, so nothing exciting is going to be happening but Thanksgiving. And again, it's quarantine, so you guys don't be expecting a whole lot this year, because obviously we can't do a whole lot, so there's that. But I'm gonna go ahead and start doing my Christmas wrapping, and I'll check you guys at another time. Bye. What's up, guys? So it is Thanksgiving Eve. I don't even know if that's a real thing, but today is the day before Thanksgiving. I am still working. I actually have to work tomorrow too, but I volunteered to work tomorrow because y'all know Black folk, they don't start Thanksgiving on time. And being that it's quarantine, it's only going to be my parents and like my immediate family, my parents and my brother and the kids and his wife. So real small this year. We're currently watching some Brie Michelle. Yes, I'm obsessed with myself. I do watch my own videos sometimes, but no, I have it on playing as like background type music. I am actually editing my Christmas video here, well, where I decorated the tree and everything. So I'm decorating. I'm editing that. That's gonna actually go up today. So we are getting that done. I want to say hi to the doggies. All right, Hazel gives her love and her kisses. But I wanted to come in and check in because I haven't checked in since I think like Monday or Sunday. I'm not too for sure. So I just want to come in and check in real fast. But I probably won't see you guys until tomorrow, unless me and my boyfriend's doing something interesting tonight, which I doubt we are because we both work. So I guess, yeah, I'll just check you guys tomorrow. And I probably will include the Friendsgiving in this vlog. Very small, like 5 of us. I don't know, we want to do it this year, but we kind of also, again, want to be safe because of the pandemic. So it'll probably only be like 5 of us. So not as lit as it was last year. Happy Saturday, guys. So sorry I did not vlog for Thanksgiving. I didn't do much. I just stayed with my parents, and me and my mom did not get dressed the whole day. So so I didn't vlog, but it is Saturday, and it is my best friend Taquan's birthday. It's his birthday today, you guys. It was his birthday last year in the Vlogmas too. So we're doing, well, me and Babe about to record a video. Jelon here. But we about to record a video real fast before everybody get here. Our little setup here got going on. We got a cleanup crew right here. Cavante. Oh yeah, it's the little setup. We're doing the tree. Mikasa Sukasa. Y'all see Tidy in my tree? Hazel barking, tripping. Hazel, listen. Because we're about to start recording, you better be quiet. I'm gonna turn this light on for y'all. But all right, we about to record this video. Y'all check it out. It'll probably be up before this vlog. If not, I will link it down below. But all right, bye y'all. What's up, guys? It's your girl Brie Michelle. I am so sorry that I have not been vlogging like I supposed to. Today is Saturday. I think the last time I actually vlogged was the last Saturday. So I'm so sorry, y'all. Like I literally have not been doing anything. You guys know we're still dealing with the pandemic, and I've just been working like crazy. So I work from home, so I literally have not been doing anything. And then I forgot to vlog Thanksgiving and Friendsgiving. So I am so sorry. That would have been really good content for you guys. I am so sorry. But I'm about to go to the outlet now to do some, not last minute Christmas shopping because it's still early December, but do a little Christmas shopping and also get PJs we're doing our first Christmas photos tomorrow, so I'm so excited about that. So we're actually about to go get matching PJs now, and then I'll try to vlog a little bit while we're at the outlet. I am watching Shameless. Well, I am rewatching Shameless. The new season comes out tomorrow, actually, on Sunday. So I just thought it'd be a good idea to rewatch the old season. So by the time I'm finished with this, the new season will be out. And I think I am on season 2, episode 12. So like I said, this is my second time watching it. I already watched it before, but I'm just rewatching it. And it's so much I forgot about. So I love Shameless, you guys. So yeah, I'll vlog a little bit once we get to the outlet and kind of bring you guys along. So we're looking small. I'm gonna go find something to match it. Can you fit that? No. Sí, pero
The other one was?
extra large.
I probably need a medium or medium.
For real?
Talk about
I said they look kind of big.
it. It look big as hell, right?
Yeah. Oh, Navy does run pretty big too.
Look at the arms. The arms look short.
So we just left Old Navy from getting our matching PJs. The popcorn smells so good. So we are heading home now. I won't stay too long. So we opted to go with flannel. We kind of really didn't have a choice because they didn't have too many matching options by the time we went. So we had to do matching flannel. Then tomorrow I have to go get, tomorrow I have to go get Roscoe some antlers. But yeah, we are headed home, in and out. Didn't stay long. So I guess what we gonna, how do you want to eat tonight? Just got to the grocery store, right? I guess the hamburger helper will be the quickest, but we just had hamburger meat. Yeah, I mean, I'm still down to eat it, but I love some good spaghetti. And we got corn on the cob at the house. So we got salad mix at the house. Huh? Look, we are go get. We're leaving. About to go to the grocery store, and then head home. And we both got videos to edit, so probably we'll be going tonight. But it's cold. See y'all later. Did all that talking. Won't even fucking record. Damn. What I was trying to say was, Hazel got dog hair everywhere. Trying to take Christmas pictures. She the only one that don't know how to act like she got some sense. Only one. Roscoe, he do this picture shit. He be posing. He be chilling. You know what I'm saying? Hazel, she got to be all over the place. And we could not get it. Well, we don't know because the camera died. We took like 20 pictures. So I guess we'll look at it when the camera charge up. Figure out if we got it. Which I doubt. I'm sure we got to take more. Huh? Yeah, I ain't never been so stressed out.
Or maybe you just try to do a silly one. That way I'll show up.
Well, that's fine. I just need a good photo. I don't care if it was a photo bomb. Because some of them we got looked like they were pretty good. We just got to look through them because the phone was dead. But I'm about to eat. I'm laying all on my counter with dog hair. I'm about to wipe this down really good. All right, it's dog hair everywhere, y'all. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to really tell, but I'm like smothered in dog hair. So we're gonna try to get this picture again. I just want to come update you guys. I went to Bath and Body Works today. Candles were sold out.
They're all candles?
They didn't have not one candle in the store.
Which one are you looking for?
The one by Walmart. I want about
That's
this.
what they said. Oh,
No, they said everything in there. But I wasn't about to go to a new store, so I just ended up getting some more wall plugs, and then I got a few Christmas gifts. Then they have no candles for you, girl. And then I went to Walmart to get more balls, more ornaments for the office tree. So that's what I've been doing today, playing Sims. You guys already know. Shouldn't even have a set date because y'all already know I play Sims all day, every day. So yeah, that's what my day consists of today. I just recorded a video with this look doing a holiday giveaway. I don't know what video it will be in, like the clue. I'm like all over the place with everything. I'm just not prepared for this Vlogmas season because I recorded this giveaway video. That was my third time recording it. So at this point, I just don't even know how the giveaway is going to go. So bear with me, people, but it is some goodies for you guys. But bear with your girl, okay? You have dog hair like no other two. I'm talking we can make a whole mini dog.
I'm trying to show the camera.
We can make a whole mini dog. Don't do it in the kitchen.
Do I have grease before grease?
Man, look at her
Well, if I
now.
don't wipe out, it's going to be all...
Look at her now. After she done misbehaved through the whole photo shoot. Got my damn nerves.
Just relax.
Alright, I'm about to try to eat something really fast while the camera charges so we can try to get another picture.
I got 2 cameras that don't do.
Yeah, 2 cameras have it dead. So I think I might have made me some hot chocolate too because I'm a little chilly. So I'm gonna do that. Does hot chocolate go with wine? I did it last night, but I'm gonna do it again tonight. Cause I don't know. I want some hot chocolate, y'all. I'm cold and whipped cream. It's holiday season. Dogs done piss me off to an all-time high. Like, I know it's the hormones in the play too, but y'all, my nerves, okay? My nerves is bad. Let's go get out the kitchen, looking stuff off the floor. Bye, y'all. I'm gonna go, okay? Bye.